In this video of GraphQL series, we are going to look at stored cross-site scripting. Let's have a little introduction about stored XSS and then we will see how we can exploit it in GraphQL. So this vulnerability allows an attacker to inject malicious scripts or code into a website database, which is then displayed to users who view the affected page. The malicious code can be used to steal sensitive information or perform unauthorized actions on behalf of the user. To exploit stored XSS, you have to first find a functionality in a web application that is accepting user input, and then it is displaying that to other users as well. These are the steps through which you can exploit stored XSS in a GraphQL application. First, you have to find a mutation operation in a GraphQL. Because whenever a feature or a functionality is creating something, it's using mutation operation most of the time, just like the post HTTP method. So check if it's performing some kind of action like adding a comment or review that is displayed to other users, and then inject XSS payload instead of a normal string. For demonstration purpose, we are using DVGA. There is a functionality in DVGA that is create a paste. Here you can provide a title and then visibility, whether you want to keep it public or private, and then you can just provide a message and submit it. This paste is being stored in database and it is fetched to display to other users as well if you keep the visibility to public. So let's fill in the details real quick and see what's going on behind the scenes. So before submitting it, I'm going to open my Inspector tab and then to the Network tab to analyze the request. Here we can see the query and variables. So obviously we are creating something, that's why it's a mutation operation, and the name of the object is createPaste. And there are 4 variables: burn value, content, public, and title. And we can see the same thing in the response. Now move on to public paste, and there you can see that your paste has been added. Let's create a paste again, but instead of adding a normal string, we are going to inject a JavaScript payload. I'm going to open the Inspector tab again before submitting this. And here we can see that the injected payload is added in the content variable. Move on to public paste again, and there you can see the XSS payload has been triggered. As you can see, this paste is being triggered by the getPaste object. Since the data consists of JavaScript code, it triggers the payload. So yeah, this is how you can exploit stored XSS in a GraphQL application. So if you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to like and subscribe.